Welcome to the Managing Microsoft Teams video lesson. I'm Paul Furlan and I will be your instructor. I have been working in several fields within the IT industry, starting out at a cyber cafe and hardware shop to web design and development, help desk, and systems administration. This video lesson teaches you several concepts about Microsoft Teams and helps you prepare for the MS 700 certification exam. To start out, in Lesson 1, plan and configure a Microsoft Teams environment, you learn about everything you must consider, such as the infrastructure and network requirements, as well as the available subscription plans when looking toward deploying a Microsoft Teams environment. In the next lesson, configure and manage Teams endpoints, you learn about the different devices in which you can set up Microsoft Teams, including how to manage them and keep them up to date. In Lesson 3, create and manage teams, you learn about the different ways in which you can create teams, add users, and assign roles. In Lesson 4, manage channels and apps, you learn about several features that you can use to manage your channels as well as apps to improve communication and collaboration. In the next lesson, number 5, you learn about different features in Teams that can be configured to enhance messaging among users, such as file sharing, guest access, and external access to collaborate with people outside of the organization. In the following lesson, Lesson 6, you learn about the different PSTN connectivity options and how to configure emergency addresses, as well as Microsoft Teams calling plans and calling policies, including how to acquire and manage telephone numbers. The next lesson, Manage Meeting Experiences, is all about meetings, conference bridges, and live events, where you learn about the different settings and policies, as well as the requirements for each. The following lesson, Lesson 8, is focused on securing your Microsoft Teams environment. In it, you learn about the different tools and policies that you can use to help manage and mitigate threats, including encryption, conditional access, and access reviews, which can add an extra layer of security to your environment. In the next lesson, Lesson 9, you learn about the policies and features that can be used to regulate access to content and teams to keep your team's environment compliant with organization rules and regulations, as well as lifecycle management, to ensure data is retained or deleted as necessary. In the next lesson, Lesson 10, you learn about the call quality dashboard and call analytics to monitor and troubleshoot your team's environment, including reporting to identify user activity, call quality, and reliability. And the final lesson, Lesson 11, teaches you how to use PowerShell and the Microsoft Graph API to manage a Teams environment. With that said, let's go ahead and start learning.